Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to generate Allure report for a test complete project execution using Jenkins. Right? So we will see the steps as a highlights. So like first we need to have a test complete project to be created, and then we need to install Jenkins, and then we need to install test complete support plugin, and then to install Allure Jenkins plugin, right? First, let me show you a project which I have already created for in test complete, right? So test complete primarily works with respect to the project suite, which is the primary one, and this is my project, and this is my test case which I have created. So I am mentioning is this project suite and this project, and then the script unit file name, and then the test case name. All this four we want to configure in the Jenkins, right? So let me log into Jenkins. So I have already configured the Jenkins. So in the manage Jenkins, the first thing we need to do is we need to integrate the plugins, right? So like already I've installed both the test complete plugin and the Allure plugin. So this is the Allure Jenkins plugin, right? And then I have also installed test complete support plugin. So these are the first four steps that we need to do. First is like creating a test complete project, making the Jenkins ready, and then installing the test complete support plugin, and then we need to do also install the Allure Jenkins plugin, right? So these are the four steps that we have followed as of now. So the next steps are like we need to go to the global tool configuration, and we need to set up the Maven, and then we need to configure the test complete test, which is in the build option for in Jenkins, and then we need to configure the Allure report configurations in the post build action, and then we are ready to trigger the build project, right? So let me go to Jenkins, and then I'll show you the options. Again, after this plugin is installed, come back to the Jenkins, right? Go to this specific item. So this item I have already created. You need to create a new item, and then you can give the name. And then while you go into this option, right, you need to click on configure, right? In this configuration for test complete, as we have installed the plugin, I have test complete test here in the build section. As I showed you initially, I have to access this PJS file, that is the project soul file of test complete, and then I'm just giving the script test, the project name, the unit file name, and then the routine name, right? The routine name is test case 1, and the unit name is test case 1, and the project file is smart store, and this is my PJS file I'm just giving. Other than this script function, script test, we will be able to run the entire suite to the specific project, or by using the tags in test complete or the keyword test. Also, like we will be able to run the cross browser test after integrating with test complete, and the other features in test complete also we will be able to integrate here, right? So the main part for getting the Allure reports is under this settings. We need to check this advanced option, in which I am selecting the test runner as test complete. If you have test execute, then also you'll be able to trigger the report. Then I'm selecting my version, right? And for actions, for warnings, I've given it as none, and for actions on error I have given it as uh, uh, mark as failed. And then this is the command line argument how we will export the report in test complete. And then I'm referring my workspace, which is my Jenkins workspace, and then with respect to the job name, and I'm giving the target as Allure result, and then I'm just concatenating the report with respect to the build number, and I'm just generating as XML. After this I need to give us dot XML file, and then I'm closing the brace, and then I'm giving an exit command so that test complete will close after the execution, right? And then I'm just generating this MHT log file, and then also generating the JUnit step file. So before checking on the post build action, I want to show you the global configuration, in which we need to go to the global tool configuration. Under this, by default I have also installed the Maven while the initial Jenkins integration. So here I need to give as the name for the Maven and then install automatically, and then I'm selecting the recent version whichever is there. So this is also important for triggering the Allure reports from Jenkins with test complete. And again I'm coming back to the Jenkins homepage, in which I have created an item for test complete Allure report integration. So I'm selecting this option, right? In this we will see the post build action, how to just configure. So I'm going to post build action, in which because I've installed the Allure plugin, I'm just getting this option. So here I'm giving a relative path, and also you'll get the details here how to give it an example, right? So here I'm giving a relative to whatever the options in the advanced settings that I've given the path. Similar to that, I'm giving a double star, and then I'm just giving this target / Allure results. So now we are all set to go and trigger the test complete build. So let me save this, right? And I'm going to trigger on the build now option, right? So like when I trigger the build now option, you see under the build history it is triggering my build number 8 now, and it has launched test complete, and it is triggering the Chrome browser. It has navigated to the page, it is just entering the username and password and the login option, and then once the execution is done, it is coming out of the test complete. Now let me go to my Jenkins dashboard again. Sign in. So this is my item, in which my recent build is a successful build. Because of that I'm getting this Allure report. So let me click on the Allure report. So now I'm getting, I've just run only one test case, and then it is showing it has been successfully executed. And also this is showing the history of trends depending on the builds, because I've configured the Allure report with respect to the workspace. I'm getting this trend for my build 2, it has got a failure, but build 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, it has got successful build execution, right? And also I'll be able to see the steps for in the smart store. This is my execution, and the overall view it is getting passed, and the severity is normal, and the duration has been showing here. Similarly, we will be able to get all other options also in Allure report, right? So let me come back to my Jenkins dashboard. So like apart from this, because we have used a test complete also, here if you see I have this workspace option, in which I'm getting Allure report, and then I'll be able to download it as well, also as a zip file, right? And apart from that, I can go on check on the last test result which I get here. So this is my smart store project, and it has executed, and it has shown the pass condition here, right? And then I will be able to see test complete results also. So this is primarily from the test complete plugin. Even if we don't have Allure report with respect to the test complete plugin, we will be able to get this report. So here it is showing as status as passed, right? And this is my test case, my project suite, my project, my test case 1 unit, and this is my routine of test case. Here I'll be able to generate the test complete default file structure of TC logx, and also I'll be able to download the MHT file, which is test complete default reporting structure. So this is the test in which it has been successfully running, and this is test completes MHT report that is also getting generated, and for every step it also generates the screenshot and test complete MHT report, right? So this is the way we need to integrate test complete with Jenkins, and then we will be able to generate Allure report, right? And here I'm getting the history of trends similar to whatever I've shown in the Allure history. I'm also able to get it here, right? So that's all for the presentation today to how to integrate test complete, Jenkins, and generate Allure report. For like any questions, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, or else you can review my WordPress here, or like it is like highly preferable to check SmartBear community for all your questions, and you can contact me on SmartBear community also. Thank you so much for watching the video.